Our today topic is, what is the difference between an alligator or a crocodile?
Alligators are dark-colored with a broad, rounded snout and are usually found in fresh water. Crocodiles are grayish-green and prefer coastal, brackish and saltwater habitats. They have a narrow, tapered, triangular snout.
Feature: alligator and crocodile. Scientific family: alligator is Alligatoridae and scientific family of crocodile is Crocodilidae. Alligator, snout shape, broad, U-shaped snout, and for crocodile snout shape, narrow, V-shaped snout. Alligator teeth visibility is upper teeth visible when mouth is closed, and for crocodile it is both upper and lower teeth visible when closed. Alligator habitat, freshwater habitats, and for crocodile it is both freshwater and saltwater habitats. Alligator location, primarily in the USA and China, and crocodile are found in Africa, Australia, Southeast Asia, North America, South America. Alligator color darker, blackish gray, and crocodile lighter, olive brown or green. Alligator size generally smaller, up to 15 feet, and crocodile it is generally larger, up to 20 feet. Alligator behavior more docile, less aggressive towards humans, and crocodile are more aggressive towards humans. Alligator speed faster on land, up to 11 miles per hour, and crocodile is slower on land, up to 9 miles per hour. Alligator lifespan 30 to 50 years in the wild, and for crocodile 70 to 100 years in the wild. Alligator salt glands less effective salt glands, and crocodile well-developed salt glands. Alligator vocalization is growls and hisses and various vocalizations, including bellows. Alligator skin texture is smoother skin, and crocodile rougher, more textured skin. Alligator nesting habits: mound nest of vegetation and mud, and crocodile nest dug into sand or mud. Alligator young behavior: mothers more protective, and for crocodile mothers less protective.